Hey everybody, I have missed you. It's James Akers, the tie guy. I haven't done a video in a long time and I'm so sorry for that. I've been having my closet completely redone. I've got this beautiful new wood, beautiful white carpet, got my walls repainted. Took a while to get it all done and I've been traveling a lot. I'm opening a new office across the country, looking for a new house over there, so just had a lot going on. Thank you for following me on Instagram though. And I appreciate you guys. I love all my fans, and I'm here to create a new video for you. And today, we're going to be tying a tie in a minute. But first, I've got 22 new ties that I haven't had a chance to wear yet. So we're going to do a quick look over these new 22 ties, and we'll start doing videos on all of them. And if you want to tell me which tie you want to see on my Instagram or on my YouTube, I will put together videos with these new ties. So let's go through them real quick. First of all, I've got a gorgeous Salvatore Ferragamo. It's blue with white stars. And I actually got a really good deal on this. This tie, I don't know if you can see here or not, $119.99 at Saks off 5th Avenue. I was down in Charlotte last weekend, and I always stop by Saks off 5th, and they got a tie bin, and I rummage through the bin, and I find the good ties, the good brand. They had a lot of cheap stuff too, but I look for the good stuff. And then I look to make sure there's no tears or pulls or anything like that. And I found 3 ties there, which I'm going to be going over with you. The next tie up I haven't worn yet is a gorgeous Brioni. I may have shown you this one before. I actually bought this in Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive, the famous Rodeo Drive. Gorgeous Brioni tie. It's nice and thick and plush. Can't wait to wear this tie. Brioni makes a really good, solid tie. The next one, excuse me, I got a little bit of a cold, is a Kiton. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's brown with white vertical stripes with some green and red. Check this price out though. Another Saks off 5th deal. I didn't get this at the store. I bought this online. This is a $300 tie, and I paid $118. $118 for a brand new Kiton. I mean, you're just not gonna beat that deal. You're just not going to. Next up is a gorgeous Zania tie. I got this from my guy Andre at Neiman Marcus in Charlotte. Now, one thing about Zania, it's always been known as a Myrna Gildo Zenia, and the branding, like my suit says that on, but the new branding is just Zenia. So if you see anything that just says Zenia, not Z Zenia, Z Zenia is the cheaper line, the younger line, but just Zenia, that's the premium line. They've dropped the first name of Myrna Gildo. He's the founder of Zenia, Myrna Gildo Zenia. They've dropped that, so that means it's the new 2022 to 2023 line. So this is a beautiful brown tie with vertical stripes, and the new Zenia, they've made them a little bit more plush. Very, very, very nice tie. The next one, I think I may have shown you before, but I still haven't had a chance to wear it. This I bought in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it's branded Nix. These are actually handmade in Italy by Italian tailors, and they brand them for the stores that buy the ties. So I got this for $150 for a handmade Italian tie. Gorgeous tie. Next is another deal I got at the Saks off 5th in Charlotte. It's a brand new Salvatore Ferragamo. Ferragamo is that nice, thin, really smooth silk. It's orange with little white sailboats. Beautiful tie. And I wear a lot of Ferragamo. If you know anything about me, my belt buckle is Ferragamo. I'm wearing an orange belt buckle. 2 reasons. It's October, and I'm wearing an orange tie today, which we'll go over that in just a minute here. Next on the list is, I bought this from Zania Tie, my guy at Gucci in Charlotte, the Gucci boutique. Freaking love this tie. It's navy blue with red vertical or red horizontal stripes or diagonal stripes, I should say, with the B, the Gucci B, and bought this at the Gucci store there. Absolutely beautiful tie. I ended up buying 3 ties at the Gucci store. You're going to see all 3 of them. Up next is another Ferragamo. I bought this at the Ferragamo boutique in Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. Gorgeous tie. Has the name Ferragamo spelled out with animals. Absolutely love it. We'll be doing that one on a video soon. Another Ferragamo. This is red with the Gansini logo. What I like about this tie, it's unique, is the back of the tie, the design changes right about here. So when you're wearing this tie and the wind blows, it comes out and it's actually 2 different colors. So it's a really cool feature on this tie. And this one I actually got at the Ferragamo boutique in Scottsdale, Arizona, if I remember correctly. Gorgeous Ferragamo tie. Can't wait to tie that up as well. I got a bunch of ties to tie up. Can't wait. Next is another Ferragamo. I just really like the look of this. It's very classic. It's the Gansino logo in the middle of what looks like some lattice work. Bought this also at the boutique on Rodeo Drive. Next is another bargain tie. This is a Zenia. You'll notice though the branding on it is a Myrna Gildo Zenia. So that means it's from the previous year. And this one I ended up getting for $80. $80. Really nice Zenia, nice thickness and everything else. Beautiful tie. Next is going to be another Ferragamo, I believe. Yep, it's a Ferragamo. This one has plains and jets. And I got this at the boutique on Rodeo Drive as well. And then we have another Ferragamo. We keep coming up with Ferragamos. I buy a lot of Ferragamos. Love the way they tie. Just love the way a Ferragamo ties. This one's just a beautiful red. It looks like it's woven, but it's actually not. It's smooth silk. Just has that look. And it has a blue Gansini logo throughout it. Next is another bargain I got at Saks off Fifth Avenue. Another Ferragamo tie. And I got this for $120. And it's yellow with zebras. Beautiful, beautiful tie. And then we have a couple Gucci's. Again, Jante, my guy at Gucci, hooked me up. This looks from a distance just like a classic black tie. When you get closer, it has the Gucci logo kind of just embroidered in, and it's absolutely classic, a beautiful classic Gucci. And on the back, it has the Gucci logo or Gucci colors going across the back of it. So it's kind of hidden. I like the subtlety of this tie. It's not like in your face, I'm Gucci. Similar to this one. This is another Gucci. This one has the Gucci G, but it's really hidden within the design. It's kind of a black and green. Beautiful Gucci tie from the Gucci Boutique in Charlotte, North Carolina. Another from Neiman Marcus, beautiful Zenia, again branded Zenia. This is just their regular full retail line, brand new. It's gorgeous, navy blue with a really deep blue stripe and a blue stripe going across as well. Just a couple more, we're almost done. Then we'll tie for you. I've missed you guys. I've absolutely missed you guys. I've missed doing these videos. We have another Ferragamo. Same design as earlier, the red with the plain and the jets, but this one's blue instead. Beautiful tie. Bought this also at boutique in, can't remember, either Scottsdale, Las Vegas, or Rodeo Drive. I was in all those places. Next is another Kiton. Kiton makes a really nice heavy tie. They're nice and plush. It just has a nice heavy feel to it. But I got a bargain on this one again at Saks All Fifth online. $118 for a $300 tie. Not going to beat that. Can't wait to tie this up. Kiton makes a plush tie. Two more ties, guys. Another Zenia, same line. You'll notice it's a very similar look to the other two, but this one's in purple. If you know anything about me, I like those stripes. You know, I like those stripes going across the tie. And then last but not least is another Zenia. This one, though, is from their Ermenegildo Zenia line. And this has like a white stripe going across, kind of in a diagonal pattern. And the tie looks woven, but it's not. It's a smooth silk. And this is the tie we're going to be tying up today. So let's take this logo off. I'm going to do a full Windsor today. I've got a Zoom call with one of my clients here in a few minutes. Then I've got a few Zoom calls with some potential clients. So I want to go full Windsor today. So let me go through tying a tie because we haven't done a tie. We haven't tied a tie in a little while. First, we find our length. And once we find the perfect length, we can tie the tie. For a full Windsor, we take the front of the tie over the back, come underneath, up and through. Come around the back, keeping everything nice and tight. Up, around, over, down and through. Now, I look at this as the check plan. I want to make sure I've got a nice little triangle, which I do. Then we'll come around the front, keeping everything nice and flat. Back behind, up and through. And we've created this little pocket right here. And we're going to push the tie down through that pocket. So we hold on to the top of the pocket and we pull the tie down through. Now at this point, we're starting to get our shape. We're going to take the edges and turn them around, hold the knot, start pulling the long part of the tie, the front of the tie. And now we're getting a perfect little triangle. Then we hold the knot, we pull on the back of the tie, and we pull it up to our neck. And we want to check for the length. We want the tip of the tie to be somewhere between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. And it's absolutely perfect right there. So let's pull the collar down. Let's adjust this a little bit. Absolutely beautiful. So today's look, we're going to go through it with you right now. Let me put my jacket on. We're wearing a Zenia suit, a Ermenegildo Zenia suit, and it's charcoal gray. And this is, of course, branded with the Ermenegildo Zenia. This is not the brand new suit. I don't have any of the new collection. I got to talk to Andre about that. Or I got a guy, Ivan, out at the Las Vegas boutique in Crystals. They do a lot of custom fitting there, so I need to go see one of those two guys give me some new suits. We got a Zenia gray suit. We're wearing a Canali shirt today. It's a Canali. It's blue with some white stripes. We're wearing a Zenia tie. It's a beautiful orange with what looks to be some, it looks to be woven, but it's not. Has this really cool stripe right here going across at an angle, kind of diagonal. We're pairing that today with a black Salvatore Ferragamo belt with an orange belt buckle, because again, it's October and we're in an orange tie. I like how it kind of ties together. And the shoes we're going to be wearing with this outfit's just a pair of black Oxfords, Christian Louboutins. These are obviously starting to wear on the bottom. I wear my stuff. So beautiful Christian Louboutins. Right now I've got on these house shoes. I love these house shoes. These are Salvatore Ferragamo house shoes. I went with white carpet through my master bedroom and my closets. Both my closets. So with white carpet, I just wear these house shoes in my room only. So that's the look today. I've missed you guys. I'll be doing a lot more videos. We now have 21 more ties that have never been tied that you get to watch me tie on video. Can't wait to do that for you guys. I love all you. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'm ready for work.